people, and welcome back again to my channel Pink Door Travel. And today again we're gonna discuss one of my travel and souvenir idea edition. And again, if you can have something to remind the travel or place where you've been, either t-shirt cups and tea sets, bags, or perfume. Talking about the perfume, then we're gonna discuss about today one of my favorite perfume from my holiday or travel souvenir, which I just pulled out from my collection. Today the perfume is about Paul Gaultier, and this comes in this packaging. I thought it's a sardines. I'm just joking. And it's come in the tin can. The reason why this packaging is like this is to promote the sustainability of the company. So you know, we have a lot of these cans everywhere. We have like these canned goods, so they recycle it and turn out to be a very beautiful packaging in this perfume. Okay, so let me open you. How is it look like? Okay, it's come in a very beautiful bottle, very sexy shape. The reason why is it like that, because Paul Gaultier is a designer of lingerie, and this is one of the vintage perfume in my collection. This perfume was been launched in 1993, and how do you say it? And it's one of the best performance in the one of the perfume of Parisian house. Okay, let's start my review and the verdict of this perfume. Okay, my review and verdict. It's only my opinion, guys. Doesn't matter for others. We have different chemistry. It's just this video is just to give you an idea how the smell of this perfume, if you have no chance to smell it, or if you do some traveling and you are on the hurry to buy something. It's just a bit of information for you guys, so hope you find it helpful. Okay, in my opinion, upon initial spray of this perfume, I can smell an insect spray. Yeah, you heard me right, insect spray is disgusting. But wait a bit, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seconds, once they oxidize the spray of the perfume, a vintage glamorous scent started to evolve and come out. Kinda sweet, sexy, musky, warm, and powdery. Very intoxicating, glamorous, elegant, classic ways vintage perfume. Well, after 30 minutes, the dry downs already continue into spicy vanilla with orange blossom undertones, and one of the best and strongest eau de toilette in my collection. This Paul Gaultier Classique, they call it Classique. Okay. This is a feminine scent that will give you compliments from both sexes. The projection is very good. Longevity is 8 hours. Sillage, oh, you don't smell it yourself, but it leaves you a trail like 2 or 3 arm length. It's just you're already gone, but your scent smell, or you're just passing through and it's lingering around, that everybody will look around. Oh, who is that girl who just passed with this smell? Okay, so this is one of the best classiest and vintage perfume that you can buy during your travel, and this is made again from France and good quality. And I may say that this perfume is a bit 5 years to me, and it's not changed a bit, and the only secret is just to keep it away from humidity in the shower room, and put it nicely in the good packaging in a dry and room temperature stocking of this perfume. And that's all, folks. Thank you so much for staying tuned, and hope you find the informative, and this is a good gift for Valentine's, for your friend, mother, daughter, granddaughter, sorry. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye for now.